just picked up this. It is a router. It's actually a load balancing router, so you can put in up to 4 WAN sources basically to balance out what you have. You can just put them in here. As you can see, loads for internet services, it comes out 1. Denise needs this to get into her VPN. She needs consistent service. We have our new AT&T mobile broadband. Check out the video on that. We're using our Visible, Verizon Visible. You go check out video on that. You can get $20 off if you check on that. Use our link. But this is the router. It's no Wi-Fi. It comes with a cable, which it didn't say that in there. So let's unbox it. So our main broadband is going to go on this WAN on the right. Wireless hotspots from Visible there, and then out to the computer, that cable. They give you a cable. Didn't say that in the description. Now you know from watching this video. I'm going to return the cable I bought. And then the power adapter. So in this, it says you should log in actually and configure things. I don't know if you need to or not, if you're using it for this purpose. And some more information on the back. So the one thing I'm not sure about logging in is configuring the WAN LAN ports, because LAN goes back to your computer you're using and WAN is an actual source of internet. And 3 of these could be either WAN or LAN, so I don't know if they need to be actually manually configured. We'll find out. All right, I plugged it in. I'm gonna get it into my laptop now. All right, from the main menu, which is here, go to General Settings. That's where I'm finding these settings for WAN and LAN. We're only ever gonna have one, which is Denise's laptop, in LAN on a cable. So the other ones are gonna go to WAN. See, without checking its LAN. So I gotta check like this. Oops, it's waiting, it's gone now. Where did it go? Let's try this again. There we go, there we go. Save. That way it's load balancing for 1 Ethernet out, and you can have up to 4 sources going in. We're gonna have 3. So we need this for a mobile IT rolling sweatshop to work, because I think the old router was just giving us problems. We'd reviewed it, we passed, and it had Wi-Fi, which we don't need, because only Denise needs this, and she needs the cable connections better. All right, there you go. This is also important, load balancing. In this setup, I also found load balancing, the load balancing menu. I can adjust the weight of each connection. This is the first one. This is the broadband, mobile broadband ATT. It's much more higher speed, so I gave it a weight of 70. And the other 2 are Visible, Verizon Visible mobile hotspots, which have a much slower top speed. I gave them a weight of 30 each. And as you can see, it comes defaulted as a 3. That's what the number 4 is. I'm not going to adjust that. Probably will never use number 4, but it's set up there just in case. All right, you can see I've got all the cables hooked up. And I'm going to try to make sure this is working right now. So when you run the diagnostic tools, it'll check everything. If you have a WAN that's not being utilized, it'll give you an error. So actually I turned my 3rd choice off, which is the 4th WAN. And let's see if it gives us everything correct. Yeah, load balancing, gotta check. Everything checks out and you're good to go. This is what I'm getting with the 3 wireless networks in the middle of the day. And even the upload, look at that upload speed. I've never seen it that fast. Denise is gonna be happy. Yeah.